Hello, this is the review of Lenskart glasses. I ordered two glasses from the Lenskart. Just that I get this Lenskart. This is a customer care number of the Lenskart, so where you can shop. It will tell you everything about the Lenskart glasses. And the delivery was pretty fast. I ordered those glasses on 24 and today is I ordered these glasses on maybe 24 or 24 or 25, and I received those glasses on the 27, which is pretty good at the hill station like in Himachal, that we are getting a good fast delivery. These are delivered by the Xpressbees. It is the card of the Blu Lenses, 1 year warranty for your warranty card. This is a Mintra coupon, and these are the glasses. So let us check the first one. This out of those, one will be the Lenskart blue glasses and one with the power. So let us check out this one and keep this aside. You can see the another glasses in the next video. Let us unbox it for the first time. And if we see in the box, we will get this. There is nothing empty in the box, so we'll just put this stuff inside it. It's blue card and all that. Sorry, I am using Lenskart glasses from the previous year, and this works pretty well. So let us keep this box here and let's focus on the glass. See that lenskart.com, new box. Let's unbox. Here is the cloth for the glass to clean. Let us keep it aside. Here it is written as it took approximately not 10 days, less than 10 days to adjust to get in your eyes. This is the cloth to clean the glass, and this is the actual product. If we see, it is the Lenskart blue glasses. It works pretty well. It is the blue glasses, so you can see that the finish is pretty well actually. And if you are interested to buy these glasses, I will keep a link of this particular glass in the description box so that you can buy this particular glass. I will also post the video related to its user review, like how does it feel to me after the use, how does it feel at my eyes after I use. And always use the Lenskart cloth which you get with the from the company to clean those glasses so that it can't get damaged. This cloth also have Lenskart branding and it comes in it. Lenskart says that it blocks 90 to 80% of the blue light which comes from your PCs or monitor. If you are do any work, it is perfectly good for you. And yeah, I will post its user review. The Blu Lens basically blocks the blue light which comes from the monitor screens, and you can use it as daily use also, so that even you can use phone or your student kids or you yourself study online on the online classes, so it will not damage your eyes. Thank you for the watching this video. I will keep the link below, so if you are interested you can buy those glasses from them, and the next video will be the unboxing of this box. So stay tuned. Please like the video, subscribe and share the channel. I will give you the user review of this particular specs also. Thanks for watching. Link will be in the description.